Today I want to talk about the power of not giving up. So I failed multiple times in trading, business. Sometimes I even felt like at life. But after each failure, I've learned something. And that's a part of the game. And that's something you won't learn in college or a textbook, something that you have to go through with experience. The good part is, if you find like-minded people, a mentor, a group, they'll help you. They'll help you bounce back, and that's positive because you need those words of encouragement. And if you're thinking of doing something, you need that second opinion, right? You need someone outside the box because chances are you're probably stuck inside the box and you can't look out. So a couple things you can do is take a step back and say, if everything ended tomorrow, what would I change? What could I do to bounce back? Always have a second plan, right? And if that's finding someone you connect with, maybe it's a different stream of income, maybe it's something out of the ordinary, give it a shot. It could be for a few months, for a couple years, but find something that really connects for you and then stick with it. Listen, if you quit, you're not gonna get anywhere in life. Go get a 9-to-5 job. I hear Starbucks is hiring. But if you wanna be successful in life, don't give up. Don't give up on anything and keep being persistent, because at the end of the day, not only will you feel satisfied, but you'll probably have a lot more money, and you and your loved ones will be happy. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll check you out on the next video.